In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute a clip on CapCut. If you're working with layered audio like music, voiceover, and sound effects, or you simply need to silence a single piece of audio in your timeline, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it cleanly and without affecting the rest of your project. Start by opening CapCut and loading the project you want to work on. Make sure your media is visible in the timeline so you can see your video and audio tracks. The interface may look slightly different depending on whether you're on desktop or mobile, but the controls you need are in the same general area beneath the preview window. If your project needs multiple audio sources, add them now so you can decide which one to silence. You can bring in background music, a voiceover, or sound effects, whatever your edit requires. The key is to have each audio element on its own track in the timeline so you can control them independently. This helps you keep the rest of your sound intact while muting only the piece you don't want to hear. Now, click to select the audio clip you want to mute. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted in the timeline. If the sound you want to remove is part of your main video clip, select that clip. CapCut still lets you adjust its audio properties. Take a moment to confirm you've got the correct layer chosen so you don't accidentally adjust the wrong track. With the clip selected, look for the audio controls labeled Volume or something similar in the toolbar or the Properties panel. You'll see a slider or a numerical value. Drag the volume all the way down to 0. Depending on your version, this may display as 0%, mute, or a very low decibel value that effectively equals silence. When the slider sits at 0, that specific clip is muted, but your other tracks remain unaffected. If you need to restore the sound later, simply raise the slider back up to the level you prefer. That's all there is to it. Open your project, add the audio you need, select the clip you want to silence, and lower its volume to 0. This method is precise, non-destructive, and ideal for removing unwanted background noise, muting placeholder audio, or keeping music quiet beneath dialogue. Take a moment to review your timeline to ensure the correct clip is muted, and you're ready to continue editing with confidence.